Morning, I'm Mr. Reusser, and today we are looking at Pemdas. Pemdas is an acronym that is related to order of operations, and if you forget what it stands for parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract in the order that it appears. And so on your next assignment, you will be using PEMDAS in order to solve the expressions that we give you. When you are asked to evaluate, it essentially means crunch the number. And so on these first two examples, our answers will just be numbers. Later on, your answers will be actually variables. But for right now, all we're going to do is follow PEMDAS in order to solve problems 15 and 17. So again, just like I said, the first step that we need to do is to solve the parentheses. So at number 15, the first thing I would do is add the 4's together. And of course, that's going to, I have 3 4's, so that's going to give me 12. And then I would do the multiply, because I don't have any exponents, so I would go to multiply, and I'm going to multiply that out to get the answer of 24. Again, when you evaluate, you actually get a number or an actual variable as your answer, and you will see that here soon. In number 17, looks a lot more complicated because there are multiple sets of parentheses. But we just still follow PEMDAS. We follow the order of operations. And so you always start with the inner set of parentheses and work your way out. So in this case, the first step I would do is multiply 6 times 2, which of course is 12. I'm going to keep a set of parentheses here, and I'm going to divide that by 6, and I'm going to still keep that parenthesis. And in the parenthesis of 5 plus 3, it is actually an 8. So now I would come back to the first set of parentheses. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 8. And then, of course, my final answer is a number, as we talked about earlier. And that is why the answer to 17 would be 16.